We got Zach's ST here. Is there anything you want to say about it to the people?
Hell off on your drive.
Yeah, I'm sure they're gonna see that, bro. I'm like shaking, dude. I'm shaking so hard.
Yeah, I want to wait. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Dude, holy shit.
I told you I cooked.
Bro, that was craziest ride through I've ever ridden.
Wait a second.
Oh, looks like there's no knee.
Wait 1 second.
Fuck yeah! Jesus!
I told you I
Oh,
ripped through here.
Bro, no, well, I don't even know what to say, dude.
When I say I ripped through it, I ripped through it.
That was intense. I'm like shaking, dude. Yeah, no, there's nothing like that. I feel like a sissy compared to that, dude. Dude, that was, whoa.
Like I said, I cook on this road.
No, dude, that was nice.
And the thing of it is you even saw I let off a little.
No, you definitely did.
Ready to go back?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Smell my brakes.
I see why they turned blue the one time.
Yeah. You ready?
Yep. Oh, dude, that was nuts. Holy. All right, what? Oh, did you even see a top speed? Because I couldn't even look away to fucking see.
I think I got up to 110.
110? Bro.
Or at least 100, I know that.
Yeah.
I got brake fade.
Dude, that was intense. Oh, dude, that was so fucking cool.
Glad you could take a rip in here.
No, dude, for sure. I'm glad I went. Oh my god. I can't stop smiling.
Yeah. Let's take a look at the brakes.
Right.
You know what? I'm gonna just turn it off and leave it in gear. Like I said,
I can smell them. I can definitely smell them. Not too bad, but I can feel them. I can feel them from standing pretty close. Actually, from like right here. No smoke or nothing though. Oh yeah, you got big brakes up there. Very nice.
Yeah, we can smell them.
Yeah. All right, we gotta do a little walk around. Oh, dude, that badge is just crazy.
Oh yeah.
We got Zach's ST here. Is there anything you want to say about it to the people?
Hell off on the drive.
Yeah, I'm sure they're gonna see that, bro. I'm like shaking, dude. I'm shaking so hard.
Yeah, it's a full.
Oh yeah, that's badass. Style points. Yeah, that's nuts, dude. Whatever that tune was. Yes. Yes.
That's actually not even my aggressive tune.